And then we are camping in Georgia to visit our other son, Josh, and his beautiful family, his wife and daughter. We just had such a great time. We made some of his favorites when he was young. Plus, he now has a few family recipes that we've shared with him, which he loves. This was in Illinois visiting our daughter and her daughter's birthday, and she wanted to reenact making ribs with her pop-up like she did in this picture when she was a young girl. And so she asked him to make all the same things he did then. It was a family feast, which we all enjoy. One of our favorites. He makes the best ribs in barbecue sauce and all the fixings that go with it. She had invited her friends from school. I believe one of them had never had ribs, so that was quite a treat. But she was excited to share this with all her friends. Nothing like a 16th birthday where you invite your best friends and all your grandparents. She is a special kid, and it was just fun celebrating her. Now, this is a separate occasion, but we are still in Illinois, and our granddaughter had requested that we make homemade raviolis, so we set out to make homemade raviolis. Dina came up to visit with her girls, and we all made them together and then had a wonderful feast. It was wonderful. It's also another favorite.
The proper way to lay on a stretcher.
What do you mean?
Well, once we wreck.
You're going to show me?
The proper way to lay on a stretcher.
Are you experienced?
No, I've been down that road a few times.
My crazy nephew taking me to the produce stand on his golf cart. It was quite the ride. And we're picking up produce for Uncle Jimmy to cook.
You ready? Yeah. Put them on there. Put them on there. Green side up. Green side up.
Okay, left and right.
And like putting sod down.
Putting sod down.
All right.
Yeah.
This is one of our favorite places to camp, in his backyard, and he and his wife's backyard. And we stay there for about a month. I'm
Yeah.
sure they get sick of us, but they keep telling us to stay longer. But we love it there. They spoil us, and we have loads and loads of fun. Jimmy's made kielbasa, pork loins, and several pork loins, it looks like, and stuffed peppers. He has really made a feast for I think there were 6 of us.
Yeah, did you go wash your hands? Wash your hands? Yeah, you guys get one?
Now we are teaching our great niece and nephews how to make an old family recipe of stromboli, and they had a blast while Uncle Jimmy's instructing them how to make their own strombolis, and then he makes strombolis for the rest of us.
Now, what kind of meat do you like? Do you like roast beef, ham, turkey?
You might want to ask my mom.
Okay. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of this. Okay, you wanna go first? Mash it out, buddy, mash it out. It's thickened, so we're gonna keep going.
Well, actually, what I'm going to do is pat it with my hands, and then I'm going to roll it.
Let's put some more flour, okay?
I'm going to pat mine, and then I'm going to...
We're gonna split this up 3 ways. We're gonna do this, okay? Let's do this first. You wanna try to help me on this side, somebody? Or squish it out to the sides. There we go.
Hey, you kicking!
Huh? He wants to do it too. Okay, come on, mash it out. Mash it. Make it bigger.
Make sure it doesn't break.
Okay, let's put some flour on top of that, and we'll roll it, okay?